Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the ZTE Blade A72S. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm really starting from the simplest way. Just switch off and switch on the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and tap on the restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to activate power mode you will find a manual to the device, or maybe maybe on your YouTube channel, sorry. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode but it's still not visible for your phone, go to the settings, slide down to the system and update, and now look for the reset options, tap on it. You can see there we have a mobile and Bluetooth, so just tap on it and click reset settings, confirm pattern, and tap on the reset settings again. After that, look for your device again. You can also try to update your system in the system and update, of course. And now if you have any updates, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on another Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.